Hello everyone, welcome to Duanduan Mandarin. Today, I will introduce you a very useful adverb. 不 不 不 不 The 不 in Chinese, which means not. In English, you say is not, am not, are not, was not, were not. In Chinese, we'll put the adverb 不 before the am, is, are, was, or. It turned to be 不 plus 是不是. Have you found out I changed a little bit of the tone of the 不 sound into 不 sound? Because there are a few tongue-chain rules for the adverb 不. If there is a Chinese character with a fourth tone, falling with a 不 sound, the tone for the character 不 have to be changed into the second tone. 不 不 不是 不是. If the second Chinese characters with the first, second, and third tone, the 不 keep the original pronunciation fourth tone. 不 for example, 不吃不学不想. Okay? If you fully understand this rule, for example here, the second character is 是 是. In Chinese, which means am, is, are, was, were, it is a fourth tone. So the adverb 不 have to be changed into second tone. When we put them together, it will be 不是 不是. Can I hear your voice, please? Very good. 不是 in Chinese, which means is not, am not, are not, was not, or were not. Have you got it? Let's continue. There is a crucial rule in Chinese grammar. You have to put adverb before the verb. So the English sentence, you are not Duanduan. In Chinese, we say 你不是段段. 你不是段段. Of course, you are not Duanduan. Am I right? Can you say the sentence follow me? 你不是段段. Very good. Sometimes I can give you some optional choices. 是不是是不是是不是. In this structure, you can make a choice between the option 1, 是, or option 2, 不是. It can be a very easy way to ask a yes or no question. For example, are you or are not 段段? 你是不是段段? When we put them together, 你是不是段段? One more time. 你是不是段段? Very good. I hope you enjoy the lessons and I will see you next week. 再见。